Hi, GC News. Mima Olivia Aquaba. Had yet latest and hot news in Quan and I'm a Bremo. MT, so we subscribe ya. Omodia say over subscribe to the channel. The way I say over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. Awareness are you video be upload when the first person of Sabeka ASR video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for us now we may be here now and some koso wo Ghana memu ha no afi ye bura ensema beto ye pono so yitie sankomo ye koso sasem ya ba beto dia yitie ho sem yitie
maka kyeremu American embassy UK embassy in Ghana aka kyere wo mo say they have lost election 2024 there be ameba amenga kyeremu they have been officially informed. The MPP Akufo-Addo and Bawumia have been officially informed by the political attaches in the American embassy and the UK embassy that they have lost election 2024. All BNI reports, surveys have proven that they have lost election 2024. And now Bawumia na hu ofeni yenhu bi da. Me pa say dear pa na wo Bawumia hu nti a chinchine etwan. I was here the president. Considering Yama Akosu we no munyina. Yen Sidia a depreciate. Dollar say dollar to Sidia assay. Dollar and to me said that dollar America fusika. Ebia na ya moding se mo beto abeti abawomia. Ene Professor Frempong Boateng dia bebom. It will take 30 years to bring Ghana's economy destroyed by Akufo-Addo and Bawumia back to the Mamere they were aseha. Back to any semblance of recovery. Professor Frempong Boateng or MPP new. Or see baby Akufo-Addo le Bawumia ase Ghana economy edro
You are watching Juicy News on
YouTube. Take it 30
years.
Ansa no mind Ghana etumi esi ne na so. Say you no Bawumia na ebo. Say ye President Mahama na ebo. Say ye Cheddar na ebo. Say yeah, Mr. Alankwa Matthew, it will take about 30 years. Boni and Krofo we di Ghana. Say yeah, Oma say Ghana economy. And then look at the amount of money we are going to need, amount of resources we are going to need to bring Yensio back to what it is supposed to be. She said Oma say Yensio is asing in our Ghana. And to woo Ghana, and when you woo. Say Okoka Galam say as someone and a pay me a million palgre boache dankwa. Or to UTV and a pay. Another girl be on show bar Good Morning Ghana and a pay. Eti TV so say. Galam say unkomodie. Say it goes beyond NDC ni MPP. Edru momo show. Mwen hu galam say no. Mwen munkrofo na ase nsuo na nsase. Chairman Wontumi, Madam Kate Jemfua, ene omo aka ase nsuo na nsase no. Mrekudu kanum, Charles Bisu no. Suddenly it goes beyond NDC and MPP. And Shunke John Mahama Mresho dia. Kamwachemwano. Na John Mahama Mresho and a pay girl no about Good Morning get say friend and Tabitha. Or Tiho. SSA. Na say maybe NDC for Bishop Bekebi, na NDC for Bishop Crano, yenny 19 year two abatia woman. There be yenny 19 year two abatia NDC. Any ye G Mumudi ye, some mobet me resolve. And so that is why I'm telling you that the strategy that Dr. Mamudu Bawumia is about to introduce when he becomes president, Akufo-Addo mpo entumi an resolve it na Dr. Bawumia. Akufo-Addo mpo a nani eden nani so ehye adogagai ujimi atuo bebam. Akufo-Addo mpo in the history of Ghana, when we see Akosua president, my yetumia for security men over 6,000 EDB free other African countries abada. That is Akufo-Addo for you. Or numpo went to me and resolve galamse. Bawumia the bit about resolve galamse. And as a common sense back actually say we need somebody who has the experience, i.e. President Mahama. President Mahama nini incompetence and mukenyinara. Na mresho na Ghana insurance asense. Edi strategy na Bawumia deba. Na Bawumia our strategy and a pay ababum or no any kromo wale ho, more ready a coso ho. One more call your primaries na no. Sa boy we doctor, your friend Dr. Tia Mohammed as I say. Tia Mahama, I think. Or your economic advisor to Dr. Bawumia. Sent in economy na say.
Watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all
Yenkai
time. You
article
are
no
watching
one
Juicy News
Dr.
on
Bawumia
YouTube. Hot
ninu ya
news all
baby
time.
ekọ pre akonya ewo wo mukurom wale ho last year primaries wo mu mienu kọ pre akonya Dr. Bawumia entumi a we se me na me awene we so se me na me wene ye ena omudi mu akasakasa ena asem no kopie court Dr. Bawumia entumi a resolve issue no ene yeso omesa omosa kwakoto abani biem court so omosa nkonkoto wale abani biem between enipa mienu woman Zoera, Madam Zoera, or the current MP, and Dr. Tia Mahameya, or Dr. Bawumia office. Tamale High Court has ruled that the Wale parliamentary primaries of the New Patriotic Party MPP be rerun. According to reports, the full judgment will be read on September 12th, 2024, as said by the judge on the case on Monday, 2nd September. The Wale constituency was a place of tensions in late January 2024 after the incumbent member of parliament Lariba Zoera Abudu was narrowly defeated by Tia Kabiru as a special advisor to Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia by just 7 votes. Tensions then escalated later when a court injunction was placed on Tia Kabiru, barring him from presenting himself as the elected parliamentary candidate for the MPP in Wale. But Ghana Web is learning that a court has just ruled for the elections that was fraught with chaos to be rerun. The general elections of 2024, scheduled for December 7th, are exactly 96 days away, with barely a week for parliamentary and presidential aspirants to file their nominations for December 7th, in line with Electoral Commission's timelines. The Wale constituency is also the home base of Dr. Bawumia, the MPP flag bearer. Enti abrantie to office ono na ye wo economic advisor. For some very bizarre reason, Dr. Bawumia decides that all the guys around him should all go to parliament. Se omwa omunim se onwene. Maka kyeremu. American embassy, UK embassy in Ghana. Aka kyerɛ wo say they have lost election 2024. They be ameba amenga kyeremu. They have been officially informed. The MPP, Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, have been officially informed by the political attaches in the American embassy and the UK embassy that they have lost election 2024. All BNI reports, surveys have proven that they have lost election 2024. But still, eso mufulu Ghana fo bi ma ye frɛ wo MPP fo. Eti campaign no mo ye nyina eye biara keke eye yenya hwe se anyembia campaign no mo ye no anyembia campaign and no mo ye no. They know they've lost election 2024. They have been officially informed by America and the UK that they have lost election 2024. Now coming back to Sankrofui, one eno ne ye ka no, parliamentary candidates are supposed to be filing very soon. In the next few days, parliamentary and presidential aspirants will be filing. Let me see, September, at some point. Say that Bena Mosamba Beshe elections, Wale ho. And if indeed, said Dr. Tia Mahamei, OBT Mame Zoerei by 7 votes, and I went to me and for evidence, Uncle P. Court, and a judge, I'll share evidence in the area now, or see Munkoye rerun. It means one winning. It means Buga no mode bobo honorable Kennedy Japan no. The same Buga and Komode Kobo Mahame no. That no, they didn't. Little did they realize that Mahame no danger woman. Woman no. Send any other Dr. Bawumia or danger woman. And 1 penny. And on a incumbents. On the current MP. I'm at some point from no. Gender minister kakra. 1 penny. Or the 9 C form. And at the aqua and a pay naba. Until Dr. Bawumia. One kasa ufi asem kura wen to me endi ama ne enwie peyo wen to me endi ufi asem ama wen nya the result a wo hwehwe because no pia Gideon Boako achi ema Gideon Boako ekobo honorable Frida Prempeh Buga eno mayi honorable Frida Prempeh free ho no pia Samia Wuku achi ena Samia Wuku akonya ono ne de ena nko pia abrantie we susu achi na ne sister ne se won pene nempene chana because also ofu so no wa ye adwuma wo mantem ho ni nyina ka wona de wo ba wo me de wo ba e oni Akufo-Addo nyina ene de wani so atetew wo ba be yi ono afiri ho na de wo doba osoma oboy ba akwa akoshe na woman ni sida bi o say lie over her dead body and on ba wo me ade si ani a and wa we ni case nti yes say o monko rerun say that be na me rerun no. You see the confusion, more confusion. And you see, the reason why it is important we raise this with Dr. Bawumia said when to me handle Wawu fear affairs is that Mokoya Asen North by election Mulusu ye Mokai how almost shifted blame in other to Honorable Kennedy Japan. Remember how they shifted the Asen North defeat onto Honorable Kennedy Japan. That Kennedy Japan could not deliver from his own side. How can they make him flag bearer? And that if they go and make Honorable Kennedy Japan flag bearer, they will lose the general election. Say Bawumia no ane wale ne doba boy ene ne sister aseme wo ho wan tumi nsiesie na we na mukwa kokukuru Ghana de akwhye ne nsem ono ani fi asem wan tumi endi o say we is a case study say Bawumia ontumi ndi ono ani fi asem. Mr. Otibo Nsudie is another case study. Say Bawumia is not capable of handling his own affairs. No, I handle my Ghana affairs. Your wife, Oyira Kwako Bubu Mr. Otibo Nsudie. You are aware. And I started Mr. Otibo Nsu catcher yeno. Honorable Kennedy Japan, I catch Mr. Otibo Nsu say, or no Honorable Kennedy Japan, or ne Dr. Bawumia e disase mo ehunkomo. Still a Dr. Bawumia into me frere Mr. Otibo Nsu. Akopie President Kufuor President Kufuor share that Fred or worry. So onkonko ka asem still Dr. Bawumia entumi frame Mr. Otibo Nsu. Akopie President Akufo-Addo anim asema President Akufo-Addo baby sa Mr. Otibo Nsu ne say hey ade omode aye wuni. Still Dr. Bawumia entumi frame Mr. Otibo Nsu. Last week Mr. Otibo Nsu krom ehene ene hema ho oma petition napo na me enidie na medema Mr. Otibo Nsu ntia. Because ne kromo hene ne kromo hema na me ne omo nya adwene ba kupo sei ya bubu obi dan mo be call Samira Bawumia out no mo tete mo ahingwa mu se dan akoye party asem eye busu asem e bia Honorable Kennedy Japan onka o see your culture no dodo na ye bogus culture na enye bogus culture anka ohene ne ohema mo suro se mo bobo Samira Bawumia din Musro sa mo betia no na mo aka kire ne se ade na waye no entweye se ya tworo krata envelope nie ye de ma wo napo monko na monko sorte ne at na we efi asem we efi asem e wo mu ne den Samira Bawumia wa buga na mraso wo se efi asem atakoya Mr. Otibo Nsu ne kuro mu hene ukoka ne bebre na ebia sebe ebia na I don't know so be take your offense koka ne bebre na se wanfa obuo a mampanimfo. But ohene ne ohema na metie omumi enu nyina me ne omu nya adwene ba kupu say until you start calling people out o betina ho na po betina ho no wo se krata ya tworo nie second lady wanye ne ye enti catch the vice say me nana so and so and so me say me nana hema so and so and so me so me say Ghana mra na omo ebusu de ko bubu papa ne nan no bla bla na omo anya aba ne ye ntoma wom empo de adru omo ye mpo aba Ghana akoye fie asem ye nkosiesie ne fie ye nkoka no fie. Isn't this the same thing Honorable Kennedy Japan was fighting against? That obeye president sa ne ma we nyina nke subetwa wo Ghana ho asem ba ahemfufuo ntumi nhwe nyankopon ni mu nka no kore uyo hene utumi nkasa usuro Bawumia usuro Samira Bawumia ya bubu dishi ukrom ni ya bubu ne dan de enti se wontumi nka se ya tworo krata na monkoka na ofie eye fie asem na the MPP mra na omubu so na ye Ghana mra na Samira Bawumia wabuso se ka ye MPP mra na ogina so de ko bubu dan na wo se efie asem amenka me ni problem but ye Ghana mra na Samira Bawumia wabuso no o se ye nkoka na efie na efie asem se ntino mo bubu dan no na the Samira Bawumia ye se okwa ko bubu dan na onim se na ahefufo no mu be behave she knew me say almost study the psyche of the ordinary Ghanaian. They know so womo ya se ade anya kura say na ahefufo beka say na party mpanimfo beye obi abeka na no atum na second lady mponi ada Samira Bawumia oko bubu dan Mr. Otibo Nsu na onim so election year As
You are
intelligent
watching
as
Juicy
Samira
News on
Bawumia is,
YouTube.
you think she
Hot
didn't know
news
she was
all
in
time.
election year? She knew she was in election year, but she couldn't give a toss. Damn the consequences. Bubu dine to egu. Because onim so obubu wie kura na obenya party for abedi nechi. Samira Bawumia nim so obubu dine wie kura na party nti Honorable Kennedy Japan kura beba bedi campaign echi. She knew. Moda monko to ma Bawumia yete ya. In fact, mama me monyo na so my Bob voice na by now the you people should know the voice. Nipa no obo onyo no.
Samila me se wo sanwa jumare kewo na December sanu na mo be wu se mo sanwa jumanu ebe twemu na mo be wu se ebe piamuka ne ba ne se kwa ne ke fulani ba wati mi anya tumi ebubu gana ni aja padi ego na December 7 funa mo be wu se Mosanu ajumanu yesi ebe piamuka December 7 na mo be wu se Mosanu ajumanu yebe piamuka yesi eba ne se kranke fulani ba ubenya tumia bubu gana ni ajapadi ego ena utumia mukutanti no eni tirama yesanwa yesi December 7 funa ebe piamuka Messi December 7 funa mo be wu Messi December 7 funa ebe piamuka
Mo huni boto onyo no. And I still am on clock voice no.
Samila
me TV ha ma stressa.
na December 7 na mo be wu se mo sanu ajo manu ebe twemu na mo be wu se ebe piamuka ne ba ne se kwa ne ke fulani ba wati mi anya tumi ebubu ga ni ja padi ego na December 7 funa mo be wu se mo sanu ajo manu yesi ebe piamuka December 7 na mo be wu se mo sanu ajo manu yebe piamuka Messi abane se kranke fulani ba wenya tumie bubu gana ni ajapadi egu ena utumia mukutenti no eni tirama yesanwa yesi December
7 yebe piamuka.
Messi December
7 who say December 7 yebe piamuka. Messi abane se kra na fulani ba. Juma, we chewo.
na December
Ba 7 we who say we Juma.
ebe twemu na be wu se ebe
Piamuka. Le se kra na fulani ba. Ya bubu gani fie. Bubu gana ni japade. 7 say we Juma no yebe chiamuka.
December 7 na mo be wu se mo sanu ajumanu
Yebe chiamuka.
Messi abane
Le se kra na fulani ba.
You are
Utumi
watching
ba
Juicy
Ghana
News
na
on
obe bubu
YouTube.
Ghana ni
Hot
dine.
news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all
eni
time.
tirama yesanwa yesi December
Ba 7 yebe chiamuka.
Messi December 7 funa mo be wu Messi December 7 funa ebe piamuka
No. Matilda, why are you pa? And I'm a boy, you more than 100 times will fear. I fear me to home. You can my pie serious about my husband said, and I said, we okay, Miss Odo, and you mono.
Samila me se wo sanu ajumare kewo na December 7 na mo be wu se mo sanu aju
It's not hoping, no.
ebe twemu na mo be wu se ebe piamuka ne ba ne se kwa ne ke fulani ba wati mi anya tumi
Bubu Ghana ni japadi.
na December 7 funa mo be wu se mo sanu ajumanu yesi ebe piamuka
Yes, you be chiamuka. Samira Bawumia.
na mo be wu se mo sanu ajumanu Yebe Piamuka, Monsieur Bani
Sakura na ehon kwa na ya mede no na Monsieur Bani Sakura na fulani ba ehon ya mede bia
Yebe Piamuka, Monsieur Bani Sakura ke fulani ba Ubenya tumia bubugana ni ajapadi egu ena utumia mukutanti no enitina ma yesanwa
December 7 na yebe chiamuka
Mesi December 7 pona mubeho Mesi December 7 funebe chiamuka
Sa December 7th we this year we Awurade ma ye nyina ye nkwa ne ahode ne ye ntira se na 7 December Samila Bawomia yebe chiawoka wo bepe first lady edi e wo hwan kurom ye kurom Ghana ho ye kurom Ghana Fulani ba atmi di tumi sha wo sembe bubu Ghana ne japade na wo ba di asase bai wo ba wo di asase bai obi mre medam so tibo so na yire kura na ya medwen na ho na yire. Sometimes I wonder what is his wife going through, because of course his wife is not a public figure, so we've not heard from her, but we can only imagine as a wife what she's going through, what his children are going through. December 7th, Samira Baumia, you be chiawoka. Say Ghana na your papa dia obeka me yate. Okay, ento aso. Enti eno no Baumia krum. Ono ane ni fie asem kura wa ntumi ani. Honorable Kennedy Japan aka mwatwe no obeka say wa ntumi and deliver asen north and farm mamo. Mo tira nya ya mo be Lucy because confusion na ekoso wale no. NDC for mo mama ni mre wale ho na mo claim seat no. It means omunye serious MPP for nye serious or Bawumia krom ho no Bawumia na mo ye serious and ye kobisa question I will say who solve problems and now be dey manifesto only solution be to problem bia problems on one e create better na resolve it and odike kai no Bawumia bie na no ba ko bia na dollar to see the kosro obie na no ba ko bia na sika na esen obie na no ba ko bia na sika na esen obi amre so dollar to see the 4 who so oni pa akro ye incompetent wo wa mere so dollar to CD 17 CDs wo de wo say yamaba yansa mo man bold solutions na yere na meka me enti anikunu wo proven track record na wo kunu ne track record ne den da bi o Samira Bawumia wo kunu ne proven track record ne den wo kunu ne proven track record no any dollar to CD na 16 CDs £1 buru 20 CDs Ghana sika third worst depreciating currency on the continent of Africa. And the wukunu bebe yensuo nam ensuo ne nsase nyina sese and the wukunu Ghana yanam junk status economy bond market ya pamayen capital market ya pamayen international community ni obu obi ade mayen ye friend is saying economies apapafo nyina ni obu obi ade ma Ghana biem creditors nyina mfi yen ye friend is saying IMF wo mu ni obu obi ade mayen. Having said that mo mayen tie Honorable Adongo on the gold for oil na mo MPP for na mo di Bawumia chi na minim ne hamo
Gold for oil. You sign up with IMF. As a result of this IMF program, one of the things they should do at the Bank of Ghana is to stop the gold for oil. You agree? You have received $1.5 billion already for agreeing. And you are looking forward to another $1.5 billion for agreeing. For agreeing, the World Bank is giving you $4.5 billion. You agreed. Creditors through the debt restructuring are giving you $13.5 billion because you agreed. And now you come and tell us that program. You expand what you have gone to promise.
Me pa mo chwa moti asem na ekoso ho no. Asem President Mahama ka kire yen last week, 2 weeks ago. Honorable Adongo be repeat the same thing. Dr. Bawumia any miracle aboaje entumi meka se wo moboa. IMF na ye call na no. Part of the agreement ayene IMF fuo koye ye ne say gold for oil no ye nyai cause amfa emfasuo bia amre Ghana. Dr. Bawumia ne so called gold for oil no. IMF fuo si ontwam onyai nyansa bia nim emfasuo bia ni so. Na se mo bekaya Dr. Bawumia nankasa no odi gold for oil ne bad dada no. America was one of the first reacting to say gold for oil no. Ebebi sa Ghana for question say what exactly do you mean by that? Ade mo bejai some $1 no a trade ana Mokai. Emma Dr. Baumia Pie Babonte Babeka, oh, there be entesa. Make you share video na mamo. Na MPP for na be I don't know. Momo ya very, very daft. President Mahama will live. You bet it later. That was November 2022. Or they go for oil by America Equerry.
Beyond the IMF, however, we have to look for fundamental solutions to some of our problems. As our foreign exchange reserves have declined.
This is the actual one. We pen a response to US. Where the first time now or the policy number, you know. But remember, America questioned him on the gold for oil, so he had to come and respond. Let me take my time and find it. I didn't know I was going to talk about it. Come to the beer, no, I had now won't show. Yes, he died. Now, who didn't throw? Yes, he died. Now, who didn't throw? Mechanical woman Ghana for. But I'm going to Google. Where Facebook search and let me go on Google, see if I can find the article. Maybe the article will lead us to a video. But I remember him coming to explain himself after he was queried. Okay, there's an article here. But the Vice President Bawumia has said government aims to import at least 100% of its oil under the gold for oil policy. He stated that the government now imports between 50 to 60% of its goods. Dr. Bawumia spoke at a forum held by Bulk Oil Storage, blah, blah, Let's finish off Honorable Adungo. So he's been asked to stop the gold for oil. Yet, now manifesto adieno. Or the bedra nenum say Oguso.
Ghana is gold for oil. You sign up with the IMF. As a result of this IMF program, one of the things they should do at the Bank of Ghana is to stop the gold for oil. You agree? You have received $1.5 billion.
So you've gone for a loan. As part of the conditionalities, you've been asked to stop the gold for oil. You have agreed that you will stop the gold for oil. Yet you are telling your people that the gold for oil na yesi jai no. IMF for si jai. Now would you two muma IMF for say yo wate na ube jai because emfa so bie ni so emfa so bie America no. Udi Ghana for ntro say eno na wo de ba strengthen forex. So when susuda say NDC for baba be kan no kure wo ma kire Ghana for. Say sa IMF aka kire ni say gold for oil no ontwam. This confirms that Bawumia or you kushini or your truthful on kanokre. Bawumia and kanokre on in a pony na or kanokre.
And you are looking forward to another 1.5 billion for agreeing. For agreeing, the World Bank is giving you $4.5 billion. You agreed. Creditors through the debt restructuring are giving you $13.5 billion because you agreed. To face and now you come and and now you come and tell us that program. You expand what you have gone to promise. How is that possible?
So the promise was what? To phase out the gold for oil program.
Because it is not just phase out, it is because there are transitional agreements. Mm-hmm. So the IMF says when you complete these agreements, scrap the gold for oil. Don't go back to it.
Get
now
rid
you
of
come and tell Ghanaian that my solution to dealing with the stability of the city is that I will ignore the IMF and I'll go ahead and scam them.
Now, Mimisa MPP for question. Mimisa MPP for question. And do you think the IMF is following Bawumia's campaign or not? Do we think IMF is following the campaign or they are not? I believe said the IMF is following. Therefore, IMF fuate said Bawumia di Ghana for intro. Akwesi broni ono emfane hu. Ujimi wo hu a emfane hu. Uye bibini na ujimi wo hu. Chere kwesi broni a emfane hu. Because one, onim dada se unim nyansa. Two, sebi obu se we abu ebi kura wonani so. Three, the more na we take no and a benefit on no broni no, because the more no benya wo resources, we gold, we bauxite, we diamond, we cocoa no ma. And you all my country say she nyansa, there be. All my country say men nim trunch na wo nkrofo there be. Or den ani be hwe wudin, obe hwe ko. Ama wakoswa sebi wajime wo ho. Yet ye nyankrofo di Bawumia echi. Mo Honorable Kennedy Japan, the be am catch him so Honorable Kennedy Japan or you very smart. Also Honorable Ken on pen him go asinti. And also only Bawumia echi. So mo de napo ba dia. Te mo ha Honorable di ni hura wa campaign or di ni hura mu true napo. Honorable Kennedy Japan, one fanny when room through Bawumia, or then who rem through Napo. Tino can bantama, so more than Napo badia. So no him so more than Napo beba. So na down for what catcher and since 2011. And an or no nim so baba bedi vice president.
Yo, waiting for winning and someone about the door. So make out say hi GC News. And indeed, so when you subscribe for more than say over subscribe to the channel. Now feel so we are well like a video give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for so now when you be here and say how to get latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Also waiting me at working fire and so we now will comment boxing. Nobody make a video in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.